Why do some organizations seem to make smarter, faster decisions while others struggle despite access to the same information? Why is data often called the new oil, yet many companies fail to see real advantage from it? The answer is that data amplifies strategy when it is structured, interpreted, and applied purposefully. Data by itself does not create value or competitive advantage. It becomes powerful when it informs decisions, shapes execution, and strengthens alignment across systems. In this video, you will learn why data amplifies strategy, how organizations can harness it to create leverage, and why using data without strategic context often produces noise rather than advantage. Stay with us until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 1. Data converts insight into action. Raw data is meaningless until it is interpreted within the context of strategic objectives. Data amplifies strategy because it provides evidence to guide decisions, anticipate trends, and optimize execution. Organizations that integrate data into decision-making frameworks can identify high-impact opportunities, mitigate risks, and adjust course quickly. Misalignment between data and strategy reduces effectiveness, while purposeful use of data magnifies the impact of actions that are already aligned with strategic priorities. 2. Feedback loops enable adaptive strategy. Data provides real-time feedback on performance, enabling organizations to adapt more quickly and effectively. Without feedback, strategy is static and vulnerable to unforeseen challenges. By monitoring outcomes, interpreting patterns, and adjusting execution, organizations amplify their strategic impact. Data allows leaders to see where actions are effective, where trade-offs are needed short, and where resources should be focused. 3. Data reduces cognitive bias. Human decision-making is prone to bias, overconfidence, and selective perception. Data amplifies strategy by providing an objective basis for evaluation. By grounding decisions in evidence, organizations reduce errors, align actions with goals, and make trade-offs more effectively. Misused or misinterpreted data can still mislead, but disciplined application of accurate, relevant data strengthens strategic reasoning. 4. Identifying high-leverage opportunities. One of the key ways data amplifies strategy is by revealing where interventions have the greatest impact. By analyzing performance, customer behavior, market trends, and operational metrics, leaders can identify high-leverage points where effort produces disproportionate results. Organizations that act on these insights achieve more with less, scaling their influence and impact. 5. Coordination across teams. Data enables alignment and coordination by providing a shared understanding of performance, goals, and priorities. When multiple teams interpret and act on the same data within a structured system, actions are synchronized and coherent. This reduces redundancy, prevents conflicts, and accelerates execution. Advantage emerges when data becomes a connective tissue that amplifies coordinated action, turning individual efforts into collective strategic impact. Without data-driven alignment, even capable teams may operate at cross purposes, reducing overall effectiveness. 6. Amplifying learning and innovation. Data magnifies the effects of learning and innovation. By tracking outcomes, identifying patterns, and analyzing experiments, organizations accelerate the rate at which they acquire knowledge. Insights can inform product development, operational improvements, and market strategy. When data is connected to decision frameworks, learning becomes systematic and scalable rather than anecdotal. 7. Reducing risk through predictive insights. Strategic decisions inherently involve uncertainty. Data amplifies strategy by providing predictive analytics and scenario modeling. Organizations can anticipate potential challenges, assess probabilities, and simulate outcomes before committing resources. By incorporating predictive insights into planning, leaders make informed trade-offs and avoid unnecessary exposure. 8. Integrating data into systems. The power of data is realized only when integrated into coherent systems. Data alone produces signals, but systems translate signals into structured decisions, consistent execution, and aligned behavior. Organizations that fail to embed data into processes, incentives, and feedback loops may accumulate intelligence without impact. 9. Avoiding information overload. Collecting data without prioritizing its relevance leads to noise and decision paralysis. Strategic amplification occurs when organizations identify the metrics and insights that matter most, focusing on high-value information that guides action. Data must be filtered, contextualized, and connected to objectives to amplify strategy effectively. 10. Sustainable competitive advantage. The deepest insight is that data itself does not create value. It amplifies the effect of existing strategic capabilities. When data is embedded in decision-making, feedback systems, and execution frameworks, it multiplies leverage, accelerates adaptation, and strengthens coordination. Organizations that harness data purposefully achieve faster learning, better execution, and more informed trade-offs than competitors who rely on intuition or fragmented information. Advantage emerges when data becomes a multiplier of strategy, creating sustainable outcomes that cannot be achieved through human judgment alone, while ensuring that value remains aligned with strategic priorities and systemic leverage. Most organizations underestimate how data amplifies strategy. Data is powerful, but its value emerges only when interpreted, applied, and embedded within systems that align actions with strategic objectives. Organizations that use data effectively accelerate learning, optimize execution, improve decision quality, and reinforce alignment across teams, producing lasting advantage. If this video helped you understand why data amplifies strategy rather than creating value on its own, share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on strategy, systems, and durable competitive advantage. Thanks for watching, and remember, data multiplies impact, but strategy determines where that impact matters most.